Okay, so the last three problems, this first one just says, what is the partial fraction decomposition of x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 squared and x squared plus 2 now squared. All right, this is just asking for the partial fraction decomposition. So this is a divided by x plus 1 plus b divided by x plus 1 now squared, now plus cx plus d divided by x squared plus 2, and plus ex plus f divided by x squared plus 2 now squared. Okay. So this problem just asks for the partial fraction decomposition. You do not have to actually solve for all these letters. If I asked you to solve for all these letters, it would take off a long time. So the next problem, I'll leave that up, is the integral from 0 to 1 of 1 divided by x to the 5 divided by 3, an integral with respect to x. Okay. Very first thing and most important thing on this problem is to say that that's the limit as b approaches 0 from the right, integral from b to 1 of 1 divided by x to the 5 divided by 3, an integral with respect to x. So you can view this as, you know what, I'll do this as an extra step. Limit as b tends towards 0 from the right, integral from b to 1 of x to the, let's say, negative 5 divided by 3, which will equal the limit as b tends towards 0 from the right. All right, so if we're at negative 5 over 3, what is it going to go up to? So we have negative 5 over 3 plus 1. Because remember, it's x to the n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. And so x to the negative 5 over 3, negative 5 over 3 plus 3 over 3 would be negative 2 over 3. And so that would be x to the negative 2 divided by 3 divided by negative 2 divided by 3, evaluated at b and at 1. Right? And so that would equal the limit as b tends towards 0 from the right, and I'm going to phrase this in a slightly different way. So 1 to the negative 2 divided by 3 is 1, all right? Divided by negative 2 over 3, and then plus 1 divided by, 1 divided by 2 divided by 3, and b, and I'm putting this on bottom for a reason, to the 2 divided by 3. And so since that's going to be divided by 0, that's going to tend towards infinity. Okay? Okay, last one. So let's say we had the integral of, now, tangent of x to the 2 divided by 5 times secant squared of x dx. And so I'm going to let u equal tangent of x, so that du is going to equal now secant squared x dx. And so this is going to become the integral of u to the 2 divided by 5 du. Okay. Now u to the 2 divided by 5. So 2 divided by 5 plus 1 is going to be 2 divided by 5 plus 5 divided by 5. So that's u to the 7 divided by 5 divided by 7 divided by 5. plus c, which is going to equal, now this is going to be, I'll write like this, tangent of x to the 7 divided by 5 divided by 7 over 5 plus c. All right, so that's the last 3 problems for the test.